What's up, guys? Hello there, guys. What's up? What is up again? Welcome back to another video, guys. Okay, so today I will be talking about pre-NFP analysis, talking about euro dollar, talking about the chart of gold. Let me switch this up to the chart of gold real quick. Yes, the gold chart as well. So let's talk about both of them today, guys. All right, let's talk about both of them today. So where we can predict price to potentially be, okay, when we are talking about NFP that is happening tomorrow. Okay, all right, guys. So first things first. Okay, right off the bat, we know that FOMC, the Fed speaker Jerome Powell actually mentioned on Monday and Tuesday, that the Federal Reserves will be opened to raising rates at a faster pace, at a faster speed. That would actually, cause a lot of turbulence in the market, and as you know, in the market subsequently, a lot of bullish pressure happened on the USD, and that happened throughout all markets. Okay, so that would be the fundamental context, and he also mentioned that it would be very data reliant, data driven. So if NFP, the print comes out to be very, very positive again, okay, just like last month, okay, we can potentially see further upside potential on the DXY. Let me pull out the DXY chart for you guys over here, and we can take a look at the DXY, guys. Okay, we can see the DXY actually flew up all the way, and we could potentially see another leg all the way back up, guys. Okay, and that would be banking on NFP that is happening, okay? NFP that's happening tomorrow. So, all right, let me pull up the charts right now and take a clearer overview of the chart, okay, guys? So now looking at the left chart over here, we can see that we're talking about the euro dollar, and this is the euro dollar on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so we see price coming up, clearing the weekly high first. Am I right? The weekly high has been cleared, which led to a very strong bearish momentum down for the euro dollar. Okay, so currently price is in some kind of consolidatory range, all right, and it's currently, as we can see in the market over here, that it is seemingly very consolidatory. Okay, guys, so price just rejected off this specific high over here. Okay, and it's very important that we potentially look for some confirmations on the higher time frame. All right, guys, so looking at, that is the euro dollar, and this is the chart of gold. All right, so if we are looking at the current price action happening onto the euro dollar, personally for me, this would be a potential target, which will be 1.0483. If you come to the left, it would be this specific swing low over here. I believe that this specific swing low over here can be taken out. Okay, so I believe that there will be enough bearish pressure to actually push price to continue heading downwards. However, what goes to say is that we have to look at the DXY, okay, to see what the DXY is doing. And if we go down to the 30 minutes or the 15 minutes time frame, okay, we can actually see and observe that this high here has been broken. Okay, so if we continue to analyze price action, we could potentially see some retracement before price start to hit up. And that is something that I would really, really want to see in the market, happening onto the market. All right, guys. So if I am currently looking at the euro dollar, okay, wait, let me just talk about the gold chart right now first. Let me just go to the chart of gold. Okay, we see price actually rejecting of this area here. And what I would like to see on the chart of gold is for this structure here to be broken. And that would be 1816.329. That is an area that I would like to see to be broken and taken out, guys. Okay, so that's a key area right there, okay, at the current price action. So that is an area that I will be eyeing and eyeballing. Okay, so just some quick pre-NFP analysis. Personally, for me, I believe that NFP is going to be coming out good again. Okay, and I have actually multiple reasons for that. If you're looking at my analysis, guys, I actually believe that the gold that there has been a lot of positive fundamental news surrounding the euro dollar or the dollar. And what I mean by that, I mean that the ADP non-farm employment change actually came out at a whopping 242,000 jobs compared to a forecasted 197,000 jobs. And that actually beat expectations along with the jobs opening. So it seems like we are pretty poised, okay? We are poised for some good upside momentum coming in onto the USD. However, we have to take a look at proper analyze the non-farm payrolls that's coming out, because it will give us a very clear direction of where the market will be headed to. Okay, and what do I mean by that? Okay, what I mean by a clear market direction, I actually mean that, if the non-farm payrolls, the print comes out to be very positive, we could potentially see, okay, or that would really signify to us that the US have been very resilient in the US economy. Okay, and why do I say so? Why do I say the US economy has been so resilient? It's because in the previous NFP price, or rather the NFP print came out at a whopping 517,000 new jobs, and that exceeded expectations, guys. Okay, so that is the reason why I believe that price, or rather, if the NFP prints comes out to be very positive, we will definitely see some movement coming into the USD, some bullish movement coming in. All right, so actually that would be my forecast on NFP today. Okay, and I would really think that, currently, if you're looking at the charts right now, price is looking unstable. You don't know where price is headed to. It's very, very quiet with much less volume coming into the market. If you're looking at the market like directly right now, price just trended and moved about 57 pips from the opening to the close to current price action. Okay, so there's not much to take right now. Okay, so everyone, you have to be very vigilant in the market. You have to trade safely. Okay, because NFP is coming out tomorrow, and as always, okay, NFP, or more often than not, there will be a lot of volatility coming into the dollar pairs and those that are against the dollar. Okay, so personally, for my forecast on the Dixie, I believe that this high here will be taken out, okay, which would be 105.8 region. Okay, I believe that high can be taken out. And for the euro dollar, I believe price can actually come lower to tap into 1.04835. Okay, that is an area that I believe price can tap into. And we are talking about the gold chart. Let me go to where is the gold chart? Yep, and we're talking about a gold chart. Initial first area where I think price can potentially clear is, I've already mentioned, is this area to confirm a break of structure before I see this low get potentially cleared at 1800 or 1809. All right, guys, so that will be it from me today. I hope you guys have an enjoyable session on the pre-NFP analysis and outlook. Okay, so if any of you guys have any questions, okay, do leave a comment in the comment section down below. Okay, do take note about that, and I will be answering any of your questions. Okay, it's been a pleasure to have you guys with me today. Okay, and I really appreciate, every one of you guys coming down to watch our live stream and my live stream, because it really means and matters a lot to us. Okay, so thanks a lot, guys, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow or on next week. Okay, we could potentially live tomorrow, but it's highly unlikely. Do trade safe in the market because it's NFP non-farm payrolls week coming in, and as always, stay vigilant in the market.